Whoa, what a semifinals. And it's probably not wise to get excited about the semifinals because there are no medals there. The final is where the real say is and the competition. No, Kishane just ran in his semifinal and it was such a competitive field. We're talking some of the best in the world. We had Fred Curley, Omanyala. We have DeGrasse, who's still there, and there's Darnell Hughes. So much promise on that one little track, and Kishane had a point to prove. Could he perform under pressure or will he fall? Well, the race started and Kishane was confident. He make him know say no fenke thing. He make them know say not because him don't have the same experiences and track records like they do doesn't mean that he can't be the greatest. And he followed through. Kishane is not just looking powerful, he is powerful. We're talking about 9.80 for winning his semifinal. He had to best Oblique's time because Oblique got 9.81, who won his semifinal. So 9.80 for Kishane, 9.81 for Oblique, and sadly, we won't have Akeem Blake going through because he came about fifth and his time was at over 10 seconds. Now, this is the first time, as the commenter stated, in the history of track that 9.95 seconds will not be a non qualifying time. The track was that fast. So, all those who didn't automatically qualify, the time of 9.5 seconds, 9.95 seconds is too slow. So, the finals is definitely going to be something to watch. Fireworks, boom. So ensure you tune in. But if not, we will be dropping the video to let you know what happened. Now tell us in the comments, who do you think will take the medals? We love to hear from you. And we're so proud right now. Let's see what happens though. Keep calm, keep humble, keep prayerful because as Murphy's Law say, anything that can happen will happen. But we're hoping that with preparation, experience, self-belief, that they will be the champion because laws are one thing, but belief in self with diligence coupled with preparation can take you beyond the stars. Alright guys, that's it for now. We'll drop another video pretty soon. The final should happen pretty soon and we can't wait to tell you the results. Thank you so much for subscribing, commenting, sharing, and keep the good vibes going. Let's get us up to 30,000 subscribers. We believe in ourselves and we believe in you.